Hello everyone, once again it's me, Croc Hunter 99, and today we'll be talking about one of Australia's smallest and most least aggressive crocodilians, the freshwater crocodile. I welcome you back to Reptile Planet. Alright, the freshwater crocodile. Now, the freshwater crocodile is one of Australia's second and the smallest of crocodilians that live in Australia. They're found in Northern Australia, Western Australia, Queensland, in the Northern Territory, in freshwater, wetlands, and also upstream rivers. Now, people might often get confused when they try to identify the difference between a freshie and a salty. Now, freshwater crocodiles are generally much more smaller than the saltwater crocodiles and much more have a thin snout. Where the saltwater crocodiles have more V-shaped, like a broader V-shaped snout. That's how you can tell the difference. Now, freshwater crocodiles, adult males can become up to 2.5 to 3 meters long. That's up to 9.8 feet, which is around like 10 foot. While females are only around 2 meters, which is about 7 foot. 6-7 foot. They do have this nice light brown color with dark bands running the length of their body. Now these guys are mainly fish eaters. They will eat a variety of fish and invertebrates and also regular vertebrates. Now, unlike their saltwater crocodile cousins, freshwater crocodiles do tend to see people not as a food source, but we just intimidate them too much to be seen as a food source, rather than their big mating saltwater crocodile cousins that actually see people as a food source. Now, freshies may be the least aggressive crocodiles out of the 23 living in Australia, but they still can inflict a painful bite. Just remember this, because they're at least not that aggressive to humans, they will still inflict a more painful bite if you mess with them too much or try to handle one. You might end up getting a hand full of teeth. And that is not a good thing. That's actually a painful experience. Now, I have seen freshwater crocodiles before. Like, I like to say they are tremendous animals, just to seeing what they look like and generally the size of them. That actually what makes them very awesome animals. Now, freshwater crocodiles do breed during the wet season. Females will have around up to 13 to around an average of 4 to a total of 20 eggs. Now, like all crocodilians, female freshies are very protective of their hatchlings. Any predator that comes by, the female will lunge at any threat that comes near their eggs. They don't care whether it's an animal or a human. They will defend their eggs from anything. Even birds, mammals, other crocs, you name it. They are very, very defensive animals. Now, there is something rare about these crocodilians, because unlike the others, freshwater crocodiles can actually gallop. Not like actually horse galloping. Freshwater crocodiles can actually gallop to get away from potential threat. Now, let me show you how a freshwater crocodile gallops. Now you have seen how a freshwater crocodile actually gallops either to get away from a potential threat. They are the only crocodilians that are able to gallop in this way. Now, if you want to see a freshwater crocodile in the wild, it's better to observe from a safe distance, because they have been known to share habitats with saltwater crocodiles in the same area. So it's better to admire one from a safe distance. You can even visit these guys at a local zoo. Like I said, these guys are tremendous animals to see. Less aggressive than humans, and potentially much more fearful of humans, rather than seeing them as a potential food source. Freshwater crocodiles, amazing crocodilians to see. I hope you guys will have this experience one day, see these guys in their full glory, what these guys look like, and all the other descriptive physiology that these crocodiles are able of becoming. And I hope these guys will continue to flourish around the ecosystem of Australia, and I hope they live a long, happy life in the wilds of their water habitats. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like on it. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Crocodile99. This is Reptile Planet. I'll see you next time. Bye!